Hey everyone, so in today's video, I'll show you how to get custom assets these right here into your levels or maps. And yeah, it's not too hard. It's just a little tedious if you have like a lot of assets, and if you do so, then it might take you some time. But the whole process in doing it's pretty simple. So let's just get right into that. By the way, most of you are not subscribed. Leave a like and sub so you don't miss out on that new content. To get started, just go to your web browser, type in Sketchfab for free assets. I think it's the best place to get free assets. If you have an asset too, use that as well. Should be pretty fairly the same way. And we're gonna type in create for this video, make it simple, and let's find a free one. Actually, you can click downloadable too. And let's see. We'll go with this one right here. And when you download a new model or free model, you'll make sure it's an FBX file. So this one's FBX file, has it, it's a download, it's your downloads folder. Close this for now. And then while it's downloading, just go to your CS2 workshop tools. And to get there, you just do CS2 play, and it should give you the option to open workshop tools. And we want to create a new add-on. You can name it whatever you want. For this video, I'm gonna call it custom, and hit create. And while it loads up, just double click it right here, and it's gonna load up everything now. And then while it's loading, we want to open the CS2 directory. And to do that, let's go to CS2 in Steam, right click it, manage, and browse local files. And we'll minimize that, and we'll open up a new folder to show the downloads folder as well. And we're gonna make 4 new folders here in our content or add-ons folder. And to get the add-ons folder for our add-on, you just go to content, CSGO add-ons, and the name of the add-on we made, which in this case I named it custom. So open that. And the first folder we're gonna make is called textures. And when you're naming these new files, make sure they're in lowercase. If you make them capital, they're just gonna have problems, and it's me annoying. And next one we're call is models, and then next one of that is raw models. I'll explain each of these as we go through it. And the last one is this materials. And those are the 4 you're gonna need. So first one we're gonna use is the raw models folder. That's just the thing we downloaded. The model we downloaded is gonna go into that. So we go to sources, and you should have the FBX file, and you just drag that into raw models. And as textures, they go in the textures folder. So we'll put that in the textures, as so, and just minimize both of these. And now that we're in the asset browser for CS2, you want to hit the MD icon up here, and we want to make a new model. So the creating model is double click the model right here, and it should load up in a second. There we go. And bring it to this window. And now in this window, we want to add our model in from Sketchfab that we dragged into our raw models folder. To get there, hit the little star icon, add meshes, open our content for our add-on, go CSGO add-ons, custom, when you named it, and raw models. And we have the crate right here, open, and you'll see this orange border. And to get rid of that and fix it, just hit needs compiling and just compile it. And we'll put this compile in our models folder that we created. It should open it instantly. If it doesn't, just go to it, go to custom, or go to CSGO add-ons, custom, and then clicking on your models folder and save it as so. It should give it like this. And we can resize this to better fit. Where'd it go? That's fine. We'll get it later. But usually you resize it and be fine. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's fine. I'll resize it later. But then you want to go to add. You want to add material, type of material. And we want default material group. Double click that. And we'll just, it's compiling. And for now, we'll just give it a default reflective texture. And we'll just give it this right here for now. It needs compiling. And there you go. And I do want to resize this. I'll resize it to 0.05 for now and see how it looks. It's a little too small, so let's make it just 1, see how it looks. Still too big. The one was how we had earlier, so I'm just do 0.5. The heck? Yeah, that's a bit more reasonable size. Um, okay, then now I forget how to get rid of this border in the middle, but there we go. Yeah, nice. And then we'll go add again, and we'll type in, we want to give it physics now, like a collision box, and you type in physics, and we want physics hall file. Want that? And click your asset right here, create file, wherever your asset or the model you're adding. And we also want to resize this to the same size. And I believe you made it 0.5, I believe. So you'll make this also 0.5, import scale 0.5. It's compiling, and it should all be together now. And now the next step is to get our textures onto this model now. To do that, you want to go to Asset Browser again, go to Tools, and hit a little tool arrow, and you'll go to Material Editor. And when we make material, hit the little plus icon up here, the little page, hit that. And there's a ton of different shaders here. I'm not experienced with all these different ones, but I do know that CSGO Simple is the simplest one, and majority one you're going to use probably in the beginning phases. So use that for now. And just gotta save it. We'll call it just create underscore texture. And this will go into your material folder, like so. And we'll get this little hourglass, and I believe it's just you type create or the name of your asset, and it should pop up with the different um, textures that came with it. So the first one is for the base color, should be this one right here, the normal map. Just type in create again. So the normal map here, usually the purple one, and I believe, was there roughness to it? Let me see. Create edge roughness, and we also have metallic. So to add a metallic to it, all we gotta do is hit this metalist right here. Oh, I should add that one too. And so if you have ambient occlusion, just hit check that too, and it'll open the option. So now for metal, open this and type in great and metallic, like so. Double click it, and there we go. And just save it again, and we can close that. And now we want to go back to the model, go to default material, and then put this little hourglass again. Type in create or renamed your texture. Underscore. What's it? Create underscore texture. What am I thinking about? And select that, and now it needs compiling. And there we go. Looks just right how it was on Sketchfab, and we should be able to drag it in until Hammer. So now go back to Asset Browser, go to Hammer, and it should work properly now. And so if you have any problems, just go in the comment section, and I'll try to help out. I'm just hit new, or even if I don't answer, then you also go to Discord. If that's also helpful. And the type to find this actually, you're gonna go to you just go to our models folder. So go here, models, and whoever you named it here, that's what's gonna be. That's how you find it. So let's hope I can find this semi easily. It's gonna be because there's multiple crates in CS. So I'm sure be the first one. Yeah, perfect. And you should just drag it in, like so. And you just resize it, just all that stuff to it, like so. Well, that's how you import models in CS2 using Sketchfab or any asset that you make. It's fairly simple. It's a little tedious if you have a lot, like I said, if you have like a lot of assets, but it's not that hard. It's pretty easy, depending on like if you have like all the necessary elements for it. But overall, I hope this video is helpful and that you enjoyed. With that being said, like I said, leave a like and or leave a like and subscribe, and if that help was helpful, and yeah, leave a comment if they have any problems, commenting problems. Have a good one. Enjoy the rest of your day.